Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix a USB flash drive not showing up on Mac. All right, let's begin. First, open Finder on your Mac. At the top left corner, click Finder and then select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the General tab and make sure External Disks is enabled under the Show These Items on the Desktop section. This allows USB drives to appear when connected. Next, move to the Sidebar tab. And under Locations, make sure External Disks is also selected. After enabling these options, check Finder again, and your USB flash drive should now appear in the sidebar or on the desktop. If the USB drive still does not show up, try unplugging it from your Mac and plugging it back in securely. You can also try using a different USB port if available, as sometimes ports can cause connection issues. If it still doesn't appear, restart your Mac by clicking the Apple icon at the top left corner and selecting Restart. Once your Mac powers back on, reconnect the USB flash drive and check again. So that's basically how you can fix a USB flash drive not showing up on Mac. That's it for this video. Thanks.